got Substructure 34 here. Welcome back to another video of Dragon City. And, well, it's just quick. No. Okay, in this, we got an update. We got this thing. We already got the Moon Dragon. The only thing I need is the, my goal is to get to this guy, but I'm gonna make it right here to right here. I guess is if I remember one, I can. Okay. I've hit all my gems, and I got the third island. Yes. And I got a even got the pure flame. Where's the pure flame dragon? Pure what? Dark dragon right here. The pure nature dragon. Where is he? Where is she? Oh, I don't know. It's a he or she. And let me check what else do I got. And the pure Terra. With them. He's not here. What the heck is he? Oh, right here. I sold one of my dragons to get this dude. Looks cool. And we read the so with the metal dragon, I got the pure metal dragon. But though I'm just gonna fix my move right here. Just move it. Just move it right here. I guess we can move this now. No? Okay. We're gonna do it. There we go. At first, I need to train one of my dragons. When you train, oh, this guy. We're gonna train now. Okay, so we're gonna train this dude. You see this sandstorm? We can't see it. Icy wind. No, we can't. Nope. Okay, that's cool. What about sandstorm? Okay, with ice. Okay, now we're gonna do. And we got lava moon. Okay, let's just start with the versus match. Let's start with Freddy. Okay, I know how to defeat this guy. I just have a war fist. That's it. And I just there. I am. What is? I'm in a shower. Yeah, I don't know. Well, that actually worked. And this is like a pure orange. Screw it, Warfist. And I won without losing none of my dragons. Jesus, do this one. Well, I hate you. Here's wait, was it Wipeout? I think it was Wipeout. I don't know. Well, I died. Let's use my flamethrower. Yes. Right. Wait, is it? That's heroic! That's the new update dragon. I forgot. Actually, I was an idiot because my brother got the update of the game. And there was a racing. If you finish all 4 of your laps, you get this goddamn dragon. The only thing I was an idiot because I did not get the update. I didn't even update my game. I think this is the new one. It's heroic. And it's weak. Go after yourself, man. Yeah, he is the new dragon, I guess. Wait. There's a new common, rare, epic, legendary, and heroic. And it's this guy. You see? You need to breed it with a ice pure, and a night lightning. Let's check. I don't even have a pure ice dragon, so let's breed it. Just rebreed. Take this one off. I guess it won't not. Okay, and what else? We have a knight in electric. Okay, he's electric, and he is knight, so I can probably breed. So, and here we go again. We change the dragons just from there we go. I think it was this guy. I did. Yes, okay. Okay, throw it. Okay. Why him? No, I died. I hate you. Wait, I have another thing. I can upgrade my goddamn dragon to level goddamn 20. Okay, let's do some acid rain. Hope this make monk. Shit! No, it doesn't. Well, I'm screwed. Okay, beehive, I guess? No, it's not. No. Oh, I'm dead. Let's try no, we can't do war fist. Wipe out. Let's do wipe out. Oh, it's almost dead. It's gonna be dead. No! And I'm screwed. Wow. Really suck. Okay, the Viking is not. Shoot. Oh, I hate you. I don't know what to do. I'll be right back in a moment. And I'm back. And I'm playing Snake.io, I guess. It's almost, it's just like Slither.io, but way more better. It's better. And I just died. Wow. Okay, I need to eat that guy. If I can't, I suck. Well, this guy killed him. He killed me. I thought we were friends. Hey, come back. Come back. I need to eat you. Okay. Hurry. Oh, this guy doesn't want me to eat. Kill him. Where are the people? Oh, there's one person here. I just died. Wow. Why do I keep on dying? Oh, I can kill him. Yes! No, yes! Oh, yes! Oh, this guy killed him. I am in the fourth. 4th place on the leaderboard. Oh my god. Oh! Ow! Yeah! Oh, I'm in 1st place! Yeah, I am the king of Snake.io. No, I'm not gonna kill that guy. It's cool. Nobody can stop me now. Oh, this guy killed himself. Ah, yeah. Yes. I won. I just won. Well, I finished. This is how you beat Snake.io. No, I don't want to share this goddamn game with you. Well, hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe and like and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.